In front of me is ZTE Blade 10, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. As you can see now, you can smoothly unlock your device smoothly by sliding, but if you would like to protect your screen with fingerprint, you need to reach the settings, then find and select security, and click on fingerprint. Tap on fingerprint management, and at first you need to select the backup for your fingerprint, and it can be either pattern, pin code, or the password. So let me choose pattern, tap on yes, and just enter the pattern that you would like to have, click on next, draw the pattern again, tap on confirm then, and if you would like to manage the notification panel, here it is, so you can pick one from the following options. I think I will hide everything, so I will pick the third possibility, and then tap on done. And now it is time to add your fingerprint. Just tap on register, and here you've got the sensor. You just need to turn the device around. Here it is, so smoothly keep tapping on fingerprint sensor. Meanwhile, you will be able to see the progress right here, so I will leave it this way, and I will be tapping it from this side. So as you can see, it has been already done, so it's really quick. Panel, tap on OK then, and that's it. From now on, you will be able to unlock your phone with this fingerprint only, just by tapping on the sensor, or you can use this backup pattern. So you can slide up and then draw the unlock pattern. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.